Good afternoon, student. I am O.V. Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed the CPU cache organization, branch prediction and branch folding concept, and GPU overview. Now, in this video, we start the next chapter of Embedded System Design, the name Programming Using Python. In this video we discuss, or in this chapter we discuss the programming of Raspberry Pi with a Python. In the last chapter, Raspberry Pi and its architecture, the process used in a Raspberry Pi and the pipelining stages we discuss. This chapter deal with operating system used for Raspberry Pi, its installation and various types of operating system. This chapter will also give details of Python programming, data types, variable used in Python, as well as conditional statement, functions and few arithmetic programs also. Let's first overview of Raspbian operating system. To required perform programming on a Raspberry Pi board, we required a latest or basic operating system, which is nothing but Raspbian operating system. Raspberry Pi OS, formerly named as Raspbian, is a Debian based operating system for Raspberry Pi. Since 2015, it has been officially provided by the Raspberry Pi Foundation as a primary operating system for the Raspberry Pi family of concept of compact single board computer. Raspberry Pi, we know that Raspberry Pi is nothing but a compact single board computer. So to perform the programming or to perform the operation for a Raspberry Pi, the Raspberry Pi Foundation gives first official operating system, which is nothing but Raspbian. The first version of Raspbian was created by Mike Thompson and Peter Green as an independent project. To design the independent project or to design independent project by using Raspberry Pi board, the latest version or first version of Raspbian was created by the two scientists named Mike Thompson and Peter Green. In initial build was completed in June 2012. The initial use of this operating system is completed in June 2012. Next, features of Raspberry Pi operating system, that means Raspbian operating system. It has user interface, package management, Microsoft repository controversy, a modern setup wizard, networking booting, Corium out of the box, and improve compatibility of the hardware, a better PDF viewer, recommended software tool, and improves support for display, a revised appearance menu. These all are the features of Raspbian operating system. Now we move for the installation of Raspberry Pi. Raspbian is the most popular operating system for a Raspberry Pi. The installation process of Raspbian is the same for all models of Raspberry Pi. That means Raspberry Pi B, Raspberry Pi B plus, Raspberry Pi B3 and so on. All the models of Raspberry Pi have installed by using operating system Raspbian. In the Raspbian, thousands of pre-built libraries to perform many tasks and optimize the OS are available. Installing Raspbian on a Raspberry Pi is very straightforward. Raspbian software has to be downloaded first. Then micro SD card, a computer slot, Raspberry Pi board with a basic peripheral like mouse, keyboard, screen and a power supply are required. A Raspberry Pi OS has 3 installation step options. First, Raspberry Pi OS Lite, then Raspberry Pi OS, and last Raspberry Pi OS Full. These are the three installation options we have. Raspberry Pi OS Lite is a smallest version. It is smallest version and does not include a desktop environment. The Raspberry Pi OS. The Raspberry Pi OS includes a Pixel desktop environment. Pixel desktop environment, and the Raspberry Pi OS Full also come pre-installed with additional productive software. It has pre-installed additional productive software. The Raspberry Pi documentation recommended at least a 4 GB micro SD card. So to install a Raspbian operating system on a Raspberry Pi board, we required minimum at least 4 GB micro SD card of Raspberry Pi OS Lite, 8 GB micro SD card for Raspberry Pi OS, and 16 GB micro SD card for Raspberry Pi OS Full. For a light Raspberry Pi, we required 4 GB micro SD card. For Raspberry Pi OS required 8 GB micro SD card, and for Raspberry Pi OS full version we required 16 GB micro SD card. Now the steps for installing Raspberry Pi operating system or Raspbian operating system. There are so many steps. We discuss all these steps one by one. First step, download the required software and files. This is the display you see. This is our latest Raspbian file. We have to download the latest version of Raspbian. After that, in a second step, get the SD card and the card reader. Get the minimum 8 GB class 10 SD card with a card reader and insert that card into a card reader and plug that to the USB port. So for the installation of our operating system, we required separate memory. So for that purpose, we here use the 8 GB SD card, and to insert the SD card in our Raspberry Pi board, we required the SD card reader. So here get minimum 8 GB class SD card with the card reader. Step second is completed. Now goes for a step 3. Check the drive in which the SD card is mounted. In our PC, check where our SD card is shown. Go to my computer or my PC and find the driver name where the SD card is mounted. Okay, this is the third step. After that, step 4, format the SD card. If your SD card having any data, then you have to format that SD card. Open SD card formatter and select the drive you noticed in the previous steps. Click the format and does not alter any other option. When formatting is completed, then click on OK. This is the step 4. What is that? Format your SD card. Next, step 5. Write the OS on the SD card. Open Win32 Disk Manager. Browse the .img file on Raspbian operating system that was extracted from the download file. Click and open and then click on write. That means our operating system file is right on our SD card. If any warning pop up, then ignore those by clicking OK. If you have any warning message on your screen, on your display, then ignore that message and click OK. Wait for the write to be completed and it may take some minutes. So take a patience. After the completion of step 5 goes to the step C. Inject the SD card. Now your operating system is installed on your Raspberry Pi board. After the completion of step 5 clearly, then remove your SD card from a card reader and insert in our Raspberry Pi board. So your installation of Raspbian operating system is completed. Thank you. Keep watching my video.